everybody. My name is Tanvi and welcome to my YouTube channel Being Beautiful. So people, every time I have come up with a YouTube video, the agenda has always been pretty clear. The things that have worked for me over a period of time, say for my hair, for my skin, I want to share it with you guys with that sincere approach. Alright, every time when I have come with a video, my purpose has always been to give the best to you guys. I have never used any kind of sponsored products in my videos. I have bought these products with my own money, and which have worked well for me. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about one particular such product that has worked great for my skin. All right, and it is Aztec Indian Healing Clay. Now I cannot. Okay, can you see it in the better view now? All right, so this product has worked wonders for my skin. Also, I have been using this over a period of like say 2 to 3 years, and it is a loyal entrant in my skin regime. Okay, it is like a regular thing I try to do, like almost twice or thrice in a month. It's very important. I think our skin is being exposed to so much dust, pollution, allergens, and so many other things out there that we do not have a control over the things happening around us, but we can definitely put in more efforts in order to maintain that good beautiful skin. So let's get started about how to use this particular product and what are the different benefits of this product. All right, so what you need is basically a glass. Since I'm out, I do not have a ceramic bowl, I'm using a glass. Do not use any kind of an iron metal. Okay, always use a ceramic bowl or a glass. Then you need a wooden spoon. Okay, depending pour take it down a little bit of clay powder. Okay, like this. Okay, then use a little bit of water or apple cider vinegar, anything that suits. I would prefer using a normal plain water. If you use an apple cider vinegar, fine. Make sure you blend this mixture really well, because you do not want any kind of lumps inside. Okay guys, this particular clay mask is really good for your skin. I'll tell you the reason why. Okay, firstly we need to pour in some more water because it has got a little thick. Okay, sorry. So this particular clay mask is really good for your skin because this Aztec Indian Healing Clay, it has got bentonite clay in itself. Okay, so this particular clay is really good for your skin because it helps to take out all the toxins, all the dirt, all the impurities out of your skin. Okay, and it gives your skin a kind of a different kind of a glow. Now as you see, there are small lumps that have been formed, but you really need to mix it really well. Okay, you do not want any kind of lumps in it. Mix it really well. So like as I was telling you guys, this bentonite clay, it flushes all the toxins, it flushes out all the dirt and impurities. It is great for healing acne. It heals your blemishes, any kind of scars over a period of time. But the thing is that you really have to be regular while using this particular product. It also exfoliates your skin to a great level because it takes out that the dying and the dead cells from your skin, and it gives your skin a different kind of a glow. Also, people who have oily skin, it's great for those because it is taking out all the excess oil and excess dirt. It acts as a great exfoliant. Also, you'll see a great change in your face because your skin will feel more tightened and it will feel more nice. So now we can see this looks like this. Okay, so one particular benefit of using this particular clay mask is that when I was using it personally, like you feel your skin has become like literally tightened and toned. Why? Because there are bentonite clay, it contains. So first of all, when you apply this mask, your skin starts to absorb the water in your mask, and it absorbs it like a sponge. And the positively charged ions, the dirt and the junks, they are attracted. They have been attracted and they've been pulled, and so you can feel your skin completely pulsate. This is what is the added benefit out of it, and I will show you how to apply it. Take some, since I do not have any kind of a brush or something, I'm applying it on my face. Okay guys, I'm out. Okay, I do not have access to much of things. I'm trying to use the best out of it. Please use some kind of a brush or something in order to apply this on your face. Keep it for 20 to 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. People who have one tip, people who have sensitive to normal to sensitive skin, please do not forget to apply a moisturizer post washing this particular thing, because it will what will happen is, it will, this thing makes your skin kind of a little bit dry, because as I told you that people who have, it is very good for people who have oily skin, because it will help taking off all the dirt and like dirt and dust and everything. So people with normal and sensitive skin, please do not forget to apply a little bit of moisturizer. I think I'm done out here. You need to keep it like this and you need to just wash it off. So now as you can see, I've washed off my face and look how it looks. It looks clean, it looks nice, it feels really like my skin looks really tightened and nice. So it is a really great facial. Like I told you guys, it heals your acne, it makes you feel toned, skin look toned and really relaxed. It also adds different kind of a glow. You'll actually feel that your skin is breathing. Okay, it will give a different kind of a tightness to your skin, which you always want. And I would one particular thing that I would, like I told prior also, that all people with sensitive to normal skin always apply a moisturizer post using this product, because it will make your skin look dry. All right, I hope you like today's video, and I can really vouch on this particular product. It is going to be a great benefit to you guys, and you will thank me for this. Please let me know how did you like today's video. Please use this particular product. Again, it's not a sponsored video at all. Use it and let me know did work for you or didn't, or it did not, but I'm so sure it is going to work for you. Also, I would like to show this beautiful nature. Look around, it's so pretty out there. Isn't it lovely? It is beautiful out there. So on that note, I would like to tell you guys that keep following me, subscribe my video, always come around and give me different kind of, any kind of suggestion or any kind of feedback you guys have. If you want me to make videos on any kind of a different products or any kind of a beauty tool or anything, please let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, your health. All right, bye bye.